Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green chili in water. First, select healthy green chili seeds or a fresh chili for propagation. Next, prepare a clean glass jar or container and fill it with filtered water. Make sure the water level covers the base of your chili stem or seeds. This simple setup is the crucial first step for successful hydroponic growth. You're already on your way to fresh chilies. Once your setup is ready, place the container in a bright location, but avoid direct, harsh sunlight. It's important to change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh and prevent any algae from forming. Keep a close eye on your chili. You should start seeing roots emerge within 1 to 2 weeks. Patience is key during this exciting rooting phase. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're tending to your plants. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle to keep your water cool and accessible. You can find the link for this fantastic bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After roots are well established, it's time to introduce a diluted liquid fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Remember to maintain consistent water levels and regularly monitor your plant for any signs of disease or pests. As your chili plant grows taller and heavier, provide some support to prevent it from toppling over. With proper care, your hydroponic chili will thrive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.